In a quaint little town crisscrossed by endless railway tracks, there lived a bright blue train named Thomas. Thomas was known far and wide for his boundless energy and enthusiasm. "I can do anything," he would often boast to his fellow trains, puffing his chimney with pride. Thomas loved challenges, and though his heart was in the right place, he sometimes forgot one important thing: no one can do everything all by themselves. One sunny morning, the station master approached Thomas with an important task. "Thomas, we need you to transport these goods to the next town over. It's an important delivery, and it needs to get there on time." Thomas's eyes gleamed with excitement as his boiler rumbled with determination. "Leave it to me," he said confidently, his whistle echoing across the tracks. Without wasting a moment, Thomas hitched the cargo to his cars and sped off, feeling sure that he could handle it all alone. At first, the journey was smooth. Thomas chugged along happily, enjoying the scenery and humming a cheerful tune. But then, trouble struck. A section of the track ahead had been washed out by a heavy rainstorm the night before. Thomas screeched to a halt, his wheels grinding to a stop just before the broken rails. "Oh no," he gasped, "what do I do now?" Thomas tried to think of a solution, but the damaged tracks weren't something his little engine could fix. To make matters worse, storm clouds began to gather again, and rain started pouring down, making the ground slippery and the task even harder. For the first time in his journey, Thomas started to feel doubt creeping in. "Maybe," he thought, "I can't do everything alone." Just then, a familiar whistle rang out behind him. It was James, the strong red train, followed by Amy, the clever pink train, and Hawk, the hardworking green train. "Thomas," James called, "what's the matter? Why have you stopped?" Thomas hesitated for a moment. Normally, he didn't like asking for help, but looking at his friends, he realized how much easier this would be with them by his side. "The track is damaged and I can't go any further," Thomas admitted. "Will you help me fix it?" "Of course we will," Amy chimed in. "That's what friends are for." Together, James used his strength to move heavy tools, Amy came up with ideas on how to patch the tracks quickly, and Hawk hauled the materials they needed. Thomas joined in too, realizing how much fun it was to work together and share the load. Before long, the track was fixed, and the rain had stopped. Side by side, the four trains chugged forward, confident and happy, delivering the goods right on time. As the station master thanked them, Thomas beamed. He wasn't just proud of the delivery, but of the teamwork that made it possible. From that day on, Thomas always remembered an important lesson. Sometimes we need others to help us succeed, because when we work together, even the toughest challenges become easier and a lot more fun. And with a whistle and a puff of steam, Thomas and his friends rolled away, ready for their next big adventure. Moral of the story: teamwork helps us tackle tough challenges and reminds us that we're stronger together than we are alone.